Hi there. Today I'm going to showcase and explain the Refinance Analysis tool in BNTouch. It's a very helpful tool that allows you to create clear and concise presentations for your clients about the possible benefits of refinancing. It's really easy to access. You just open up any record in your Mortgages tab. In the sub-tabs above the record, look to the right for Refinance Analysis. The first step in generating an analysis for your client is to click the New Refinance Analysis button. This will open up the tool, and you can see that it has already brought in information from the client's records into the Your Current Loan section on the left. Here, you can enter proposed loan information to the right for a new refinanced loan. If you want to compare several options, you can simply click the Add Scenario link to add another column. When you are ready to create a presentation, hit the Calculate button. If any required information is missing, the tool will help you avoid mistakes by identifying missing details. Once everything is entered, the Refinance Analysis will update the columns below with the loan details. The section on the left represents the client's current loan, and the right shows the proposed refinance options you entered before. This comparison breaks down the information in a simple, easy-to-understand way that will help your clients see the potential benefits of a refinance. Below each piece of information, the Refinance Analysis tool will explain the savings differences between the client's current loan and each proposal option. In addition, you can select any of the refinance scenarios as the best option using the links above. Whichever scenario you mark as best will be highlighted in the comparison columns, and contrasts will be explained in further detail between the client's current loan and the best option. Below the presentation, you'll have a Save button which can be used to keep this comparison for later. You can also click the Preview and Send button to bring the presentation into an email that can be sent to the client. This will work with your current email template and all other email features in BNTouch. One element that appears in that email is a disclosure, which you can customize for your own business with this tool. Back in the Refinance Analysis section of the client's record, you can click the Customize Disclosure button, and here you can edit the disclosure text that will be added to these Refinance Analysis emails. If you want to set what you have to the default, just click the button to the top right. If you're logged in to an administrator account, you can also customize the disclosure text for your company here. Then just hit the Save button. You'll also notice that previously saved analyses will be listed in the borrower's record when you open the Refinance Analysis sub-tab. This lets you see any previously generated analysis, and you can still use the information here to send an email to your client by clicking the Email Analysis button. If you want to add or change any information, the Edit button will reopen the analysis for any modifications. One of these analyses can be made available to your clients via a borrower portal by clicking the Show on Portal button. To make a different analysis available, just click the button for that analysis to update the default option. I hope this helps highlight what the Refinance Analysis tool can do for you and your clients. We're interested to hear your feedback on it, so let us know if you have any comments or questions.